Hi everyone, welcome back for your week 27 of PE. So this week, well, as you know, last week we wrapped up bicycle safety. And so this week, the students here at school are going to do a little bit of exploration and playing of pickleball. But I am not spending much time explaining it, how to play, how to score. It's very, very brief so that they have an opportunity to just get up and play and kind of see what it's like. So I am not spending time teaching you that this week because it's just a quick intro. And like I said, the students are going to be up and moving. So for you instead, you're going to do some St. Patrick's Day activities because we know St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So for your warm up, you have the Would You Rather. So you should be familiar with that. And then after Would You Rather, you have the activity Leprechauns on the Run. Okay. And then after Leprechauns on the Run, it's Find the Gnome. Okay, so you can just kind of go through those activities. Will give you some exercise, kind of get you ready for that St. Patty's Day that's coming up, and give you some fun as we hopefully move into our spring break next week. I hope you have a restful and enjoyable week. Stay safe, get lots of exercise, make great eating choices, and stay healthy. And I look forward to seeing you guys when we get back from spring break. All right, have a great day. Have fun with those activities today. Bye.